Ternyata mata uang Malaysia mata uang terkuat di dunia.
Karena mau kalian apain pun nggak bakalan hancur.
Gue coba sekuat tenaga pun nggak bisa robek sama sekali. Bahkan gue udah coba gunting pun juga nggak robek. Tes pertama kita masukin ke mesin cuci.
Apakah uang Malaysia ini bakal selamat?
Ini muternya kenceng banget.
Dan ternyata setelah 1 jam muter, duitnya nggak rusak sama sekali. Selanjutnya gue ikat ringgit ini di tali.
Apakah uang Malaysia bakal tahan?
Dan ternyata ringgitnya bisa nahan barbel.
Ternyata uang Malaysia beneran kuat banget. Tes terakhir kita tarik pakai motor.
Apakah uangnya bakal robek? Tapi walaupun udah ditarik pakai motor, malahan talinya yang putus dan uangnya selamat.
Ramai yang tak sedar, duit Malaysia sebenarnya antara mata wang paling berkualiti dari segi bahan, keselamatan dan ketahanan. Nota ringgit kita dibuat daripada polimer khas, lebih tahan lasak, tak mudah koyak, tak serap air, dan boleh bertahan jauh lebih lama berbanding kertas biasa. Walaupun direndam, dilipat berkali-kali, atau terkena hujan panas, nilai dan bentuknya tetap terjaga. Inilah simbol inovasi Malaysia. Kecil, tetapi membuktikan betapa negara ini sentiasa bergerak ke depan. Apa yang menjadikan duit? Malaysia begitu istimewa bukan sekadar rekaannya yang cantik atau warnanya yang terang. Ia dibangunkan dengan teknologi tinggi yang digunakan oleh negara-negara maju, namun Malaysia berjaya mengaplikasikannya dengan lebih cekap dan lebih selamat. Polimer yang digunakan mampu bertahan beribu kali lipat, lebih lama berbanding wang kertas tradisional. Sebab itu kalau jatuh dalam air terkena peluh, dihimpit dalam dompet atau ditinggal dalam dashboard kereta sekalipun, ia tetap utuh. Ketahanan ini bukan hanya praktikal, tetapi menjimatkan kos negara dan membuktikan kebijaksanaan Malaysia dalam mengurus sistem kewangannya. Setiap nota ringgit turut dilengkapi ciri keselamatan, bertaraf dunia, tingkap lut sinar, benang keselamatan, elemen timbul, dan warna yang berubah mengikut cahaya. Ramai pelancong asing terkejut apabila mendapati ringgit bukan sekadar duit, lebih sebuah produk inovasi yang direka untuk bertahan dalam iklim tropika yang mencabar. Ini adalah bukti bahawa Malaysia bukan sahaja maju dalam teknologi, tetapi tahu menyesuaikan inovasi itu mengikut keperluan rakyatnya. Sebab itu ramai berkata, kalau duit pun kita boleh buat sampai tahap begini, apatah lagi industri besar lain seperti semikonduktor, minyak dan gas, air angkasa, teknologi digital dan ekonomi halal. Kualiti ringgit adalah simbol mentaliti Malaysia, tahan, kuat, fleksibel, dan sentiasa bergerak ke depan walau apa pun cabaran. Sebagai rakyat Malaysia, kita patut berasa bangga kerana memiliki mata wang yang bukan sahaja bernilai, tetapi mencerminkan identiti sebuah negara yang berkualiti tinggi dan penuh masa depan.
Let's talk about Malaysian money, one of the prettiest that I have seen in Asia. $1 gives you around 450 ringgit. Ringgit has multiple banknotes. You can see there is 100, 50, there is 20, 10, 5, and 1. But what is fascinating is this, what is on the other side of the bills, which are having spectacular designs. Each of the banknote note has a different design. It will be the animals that are found here. It will be important places, flowers, and more related to Malay culture. What I have found is also 2 different 5s, and honestly I will keep them for myself. One of them on the back has 2 twin towers, and they are in Kuala Lumpur, and the other one, it has a toucan, which you can also find in Kuala Lumpur. Also, we have seen toucan when we're traveling to the south of Malaysia. The same with the coins. I have seen multiple designs. There is a 10, there is a 20, also the older 20. This is a 50. Biggest banknote is called ringgit, and the smaller one is called sen. There are also smaller coins, but I could not find them in the shops, and normally they're not used. Another thing really important is that in Malaysia we don't use much cash. It's surprising and really nice to see that Malaysia really adapt the culture of paying by card. Of course, if you go into local markets with the food, it will be better if you will have cash. But in bigger city, if you are just passing for one day, don't you worry, you will definitely find places to pay by card.
Ni tak pernah tahu pun yang duit RM50 Malaysia dia buat apa? Dia buat sedetail mana. Sekarang kita tahu. Korang tengok sedetail manakah duit Malaysia. Nampak? Tu muka orang yang duduk belakang Perdana Menteri. Amat detail tu. Mana lagi? Nampak? Ada yang muka ceria, ada yang muka tak ceria.
I feel like the Malaysian currency is often, there's a lot of new bills, it's very clean. I like that it's colorful. I actually like the different sizes.
I have, or maybe you have it.
Yeah, I have it available. So I actually keep my wallet very organized here. So on this side I have the bigger bills. Here's my
So that's like the 50. Let's
my 50. And look how clean that is, man. It's actually a really pretty bill. It's got some reflective
So can I
stuff.
keep that just so I?
Yeah. No,
Just for later, just for reference.
just for reference. I'll give you one of each.
Yeah.
And I'll take that back after the video. Yeah. So then here's the 20. Look how pretty that is. It's like nice and clean. And of course, you know, everyone's handing like these bills around the city, so you still treat it like money. You still like wash your hands and stuff. And there's gonna be bad bills.
Yeah, you have like every bill. You have the 5, you have the
This is
10.
very convenient for the video.
Just show up. Yeah, 10.
right.
You have every bill. The 10.
Here's a 10.
All right.
Let's see. Here's a 5. I promise you guys this was not planned. And you can tell that I'm like getting to know things because I'm looking at my wallet, I see the color, and I already know what bill it is. So that took me like 4 or 5 days to get that
Yeah, because
comfortable.
like we're from the U.S. and like all our currency is green, basically.
All green, it all looks similar with like the pictures are different, but it's not as easy, and they're all the same size too. Here's the 5. This one actually has a transparency
this
to
is
it.
like one of those. This is like one of those like classic ones. You know, you can do this and then like.
And there's no wrinkles?
No.
Oh, that's
basically.
I did not know
Plastic
that.
bills because the first time I saw it was in Hong Kong. It's kind of
Interesting,
easy.
yeah.
Making more like newer the bills like that. No more paper. It's like you just crumble it up and it comes back together.
I never knew that. And it also feels a little bit waterproof, like there's like a wax in there or
Yeah,
something.
exactly.
Yeah. All right, well, I'll organize after the
Just
video.
one. We had to show the one.
Gotta show the one. Gotta show the one.
Oh, and I think I have 100 with me. So literally,
Oh,
we can show all the
nice.
bills.
There's the one.
Awesome.
Another clear thing. Yeah, I love the currency.
Okay, now you hold this, and I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. Since basically we showed you all the currency, which this wasn't planned, but I just put it in the video.
Yeah, that worked out nice.
And let me show you the 100 guys right now. Last but not least, because I'm planning to exchange this too.
All right, so I just gave him all these. So I'll take this one now.
Yeah, so it's really interesting. Yeah. So every bill will have like some cool landmark on it, and I believe this is one of the rulers of Malaysia. I'm not really sure who that is, but yeah.
Interesting.
Tahu tak duit RM10 Malaysia lagu mana?
Tahu.
Kenapa?
Merah.
Betul lah. Betul.
Bila lah tengok duit RM10
Tadi.
Kan duit RM10 kan atas-atas tu dia banyak-banyak benda kan. Teka je lah 5 benda.
Ringgit Malaysia.
Okey.
Bank negara. Bank negara.
Betul lah bank negara.
Tengkolok.
Okey.
Bunga raya.
Okey. Okey satu.
Warna merah.
Warna merah. Wow, duit RM10 memang kena merah.
Sign.
Okey. 5 dah. Jadi kita set. Ringgit Malaysia ada, bank negara Malaysia ada, sign ada, RM10 ada, bunga raya ada, tengkolok ada. Okey. Lagi kena bagi kat mak. Ini 100 untuk adik. Betul lah 5 soalan 100 kan. Okey. Adik nama apa tak Sak?
Aina.
Adik Aina. Aku gagak lah. Okey, adik ada main TikTok tak? Tak. IG? Ada. Cakap lah. Ada. Buka IG, follow Datin Avocado.
Dating.
Avocado. Follow, lepas tu tunjuk kat kamera sekejap. Dah follow. Okey. Terima kasih. Jangan lupa apa?
Jangan lupa follow Datin Avocado. Mana tahu lepas ni rezeki apa.
Okey, bye-bye.
Akhirnya, bila kita lihat duit Malaysia yang kecil ini, kita sebenarnya sedang melihat cermin kepada diri bangsa kita sendiri. Tahan lasak, berkualiti tinggi, penuh inovasi dan sentiasa mampu berdiri semula walau apa cabaran melanda. Inilah Malaysia, negara yang dibina dengan usaha, disokong oleh kepintaran cekal dan diperkasa oleh rakyatnya. Kalau sekeping duit pun mampu menunjukkan tahap kehebatan kita, bayangkan sejauh mana Malaysia boleh pergi jika kita semua terus melangkah bersama. Sebagai rakyat Malaysia, kita tidak hanya memegang ringgit di tangan, kita memegang kebanggaan sebuah negara.